November 10th, 2020 vocabulary. Directions. Drag the red X on the vocabulary puzzle piece that does not belong. All right, so here's our red X here. We're going to take a look at our puzzle pieces. So we have ratio, 5/3, 2:13, add, and 8 to 9. Well, I know that three of these things are kind of in common because I know that we can write ratios in three different ways, and then we can have a ratio comparison statement. So if we have that 5 with that fraction 3, or 5/3, so that's fraction form of a ratio. 2:13, that's a ratio. 8 to 9, that's a ratio, with the word form. And then I know that ratio, that's what they're all representing, ratios. But the one thing that stands out that does not belong is going to be this adding piece. We don't add anything here. If anything, to get equivalent ratios like we've been doing, we'd be multiplying and dividing. But we're not going to be adding anything. So that's it for our vocab. Great job.